Wow. At an art show at the Mary Winspear Center, and this caught my eye. Is that ever beautiful, hey? And here, Corinne F. Parker, acrylic. Make sure we get her all in there. Total is $10,165 for this piece. That's a lot of cash, but it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Try to get it all in there. Best piece here, I think. There's a lot of other pieces too, but this is awesome. I do love it. Wow. There's some more. Nice work. This is an arbutus. I like this. It reminds me of Emily Carr. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see this. Wow. Someone's got talent. I wonder who this is. Stephen Chosen. Anyway, obviously he knows this person. Oh, this is way cool. This is anywhere in British Columbia, the rainforest. Very cool. Very cool fish. Very cool stained glass fish. Love art shows. And here's kitty cat. Very cool kitty cat. Very cool. Again, anywhere in BC. Very cool art. Very cool. Oh, this is really neat. Well, I do like my art shows. And that's a nice pretty apple blossom. Plant your trees.